Hey everyone, Brandon here. So today we're doing a very exciting unboxing. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I've been waiting for this phone probably about 3 weeks now. They had a back order. They wanted me to get the lower version, but I didn't get that. So I have the 256 gigabyte version. The one they had in stock was the 126, I believe, and then the 512. So, very exciting phone that I got. It is replacing my Motorola Edge because that phone has almost gone kaput. It is still decent, it still works fine, it's just a little slower. I've noticed the battery life is starting to die a little bit, which is no surprise when it comes to Motorola. They always have issues. Get my address and stuff out of the way. And here we go. So they have a nice packaging, little bubble. And then we got other goodies as well. It's not just the phone, because we bought directly from Samsung website. I'm not sure which this one is first and what that one is. I believe this is going to be the phone. And this is... I don't think that's the phone. I think those are some accessories that we got. So here's a super fast wall charger. It's a 25 watt wall charger. This was a freebie, obviously. This is the phone right here. This is the case. But we're gonna put this to the side for a second. We're gonna open up the rest of the accessories that we got. Alright, here we go. So, if you order on Samsung, you probably already know they give you a $100 credit to buy other stuff. So with that, I got a clear cover, and I probably will not use this because I have a Zizo one. I got the cover with the S Pen because the S Pen can be used with the Samsung Galaxy Ultra S21, and of course I got the wireless charger duo. I wish they just had a regular single one because I don't have a watch, and I thought about getting watches before, but I don't see much use for a smartwatch from my standpoint. So let's put all this aside for now, and maybe we'll unbox those later, but I'm sure you guys want to get into the best part, which is the phone. So it comes in a nice little matte finish box. It's actually a pretty skinny box, I'm going to be honest here. Usually, phone boxes are a lot thicker. But I've heard because, most of them are trying to scale down on how much waste they have, and yeah. Put the stickers here. If my knife would work. Nails work better, I think. Alright. So here we go. Came out nice and easy. For the first part, front face, and they give you a little, don't know if that's plastic or cardboard. It kind of feels waxy, so it might be plastic, but it kind of feels like cardboard, so we'll put that to the side. And here we go. Here is the phone. Looks so nice. The thing I like about it the most, and I was worried at first about it, was the curved screen. So this does have a little tiny curve, but it's nothing compared to the Motorola Edge. Motorola Edge, when you hold it, your fingers get get caught up onto the side and you're always pressing stuff. This has just a slight curve where your fingers will not get in the way. So I am very proud of that. Pretty happy. We got a sticker for the camera right here. Peel that off. And there's the setup for that. Looks pretty awesome, not gonna lie. And then they have another sticker for the back, but they left this little area bare for some reason. I'm not sure why, but yeah, that's a little bare area. So take that off, and okay, it's a little different than what I thought it was gonna be. It's like a matte finish. It's like a matte finish right here, and then you got a little gloss where the camera's modular is. So that's pretty awesome. And then of course we have the last sticker, which is on the screen. I'm not sure if I really want to take it off because I want whatever. We'll take it off anyways. I want to put a screen protector on this as soon as possible. So you can see from the top. Here is the phone. Does not have a headphone jack. I was pretty sad about that, but I bought a USB C headphone because I don't like wireless Bluetooth earbuds, even though they tried to sell them to me when I was talking to them on the Samsung website. If you like Bluetooth, I highly suggest go ahead and get the pods or whatever they're called, Galaxy Buds or something. I think they're $150 for those. I'm gonna go up in a little bit, grab my case and the earbuds that I got because I enjoy wired earbuds, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about the earbuds. Let's see if we can turn it on in a second. Open up this little box here. Okay, so got a quick reference guide, a Samsung Care. I think that's their warranty, extra warranty that you can buy on the phones, and then terms and conditions, all the legal mumbo jumbo. And then of course they gave you a little oh, okay, wasn't expecting this. It's two USB type C ports. I thought it was going to be a USB and to USB C, but they give you two USB type C's, which makes me wonder if the wall charger is both of those, or if I'm going to have to go out and buy a new I'm gonna have to buy a knife someday, I swear. Now let's just rip it open. There we go. Okay, so that's cool. It is a USB Type C, the USB Type C. So awesome. I wish this was black and not white because it just doesn't match, but that's fine. It works. It's heavy duty, it seems. It's definitely not light like some of the rest that I have. For the size of it, it feels pretty dense. I'll put that to the side. Here is the SIM card ejector. Just a typical one. I'll open that up right now. So it's just one. I think the international one, you get two of them. And I do not see any waterproofing on this. As in a little gasket. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be one on here or not. Didn't even really look to see if this phone was waterproof, but I'm not going to take it in the water anyways. Secured by Knox. Powered by Android. So this phone is a little heavy, but I would say it's a lot heavier than the Motorola Edge right now. Alright, so we have the phone on. I have put the fingerprint scanner on, and wow, that's pretty fast. That was pretty cool. So usually the screen has to be on, and you have to touch the fingerprint, but you can do it off. As long as you know where the fingerprint scanner is, you can do it while it's off. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that. I usually do both my thumbs, just because sometimes I hold the phone in left hand, sometimes with my right hand, sometimes with both hands. Just depends on the day. This is the Zizo Bolt Series case, holster, and screen protector. We're gonna put this on instead of all the other cases, most likely. And then I have these wired earphones called the Classic 4 by Link-like. So we'll have to see what these are like when we do it all, and that'll be for a different video. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Be on the lookout for this review, unboxing and review of the Classic 4, and also the review on the Zizo Bolt series. I will also put a link in the description below for these two items. Other than that, you can buy this phone on Samsung, you can buy it on Amazon. There's a whole bunch of different places you can buy it. Good luck with this phone if you decide to purchase it, and have fun.